You found what you've been looking for in this lovely property. This property is represented by Don Cana. There are 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and 1 half bathroom in this spacious 5,177 square foot property. To arrange a time to stop by and view this property, or if you would like more information, please contact Don Cana at 512-413-3988. That's 512-413-3988. Thank you for your interest in this property and enjoy the presentation tour.